Whoa, whoa! Hey, Andy. Alright, I'm gonna need you to tone it down with the sudden movements, okay? Just put your hands in your pockets.
Okay, sure. Yeah, okay.
Better. So, you wanna take a wild guess why I'm here?
Because I stole money?
Well, technically you embezzled money. 8.5 million to be exact. From your boss, who is a major arms dealer.
I didn't know.
You didn't know you were stealing?
Didn't know he was a crime lord.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's fair. Come on, sit down. Let's talk.
Look, I can pay the money back. I only spent a little bit of it so far.
It's fine, keep it. It's yours now.
Then why did he send you?
Your boss didn't get to where he is by leaving money on the table. He doesn't give a shit about the 8.5 million you stole. He does care about the 160 million he's gonna make off you today.
I don't follow.
Some real dark web shit. A bunch of illegal betting.
What are we betting on?
You. And whether or not you survive today.
Ha!
Wow. This is different.
I'm not playing your game!
Who said it was my game?
I'll blow your brains out!
And don't miss.
I'm serious, okay? I'm serious.
Yeah?
I swear, I'm not kidding!
Then show me.
Wait, hold on.
I like your energy.
I could have killed you.
Now without bullets, you couldn't.
Bullets. Oh, ooh. Just one second. I thought you were here to kill me.
No, I don't get paid to kill people. Think of me as more the starter pistol.
Starter for what?
For the game. In about 4 minutes, 7 deranged hitmen and women are going to descend upon this place, and you are going to have to fight for your life.
7 hitmen?
And women. Give the ladies their due.
That's in 4 minutes?
3.5, actually. So, I just want to give you something. I like to do this for everyone I work with, all my clients. A bit of a starter gift. This is a P90 submachine gun. It's a very nice little piece. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass to reload, though, so I need you to pay close attention. First, I'm going to remove the old clip, pull it out yourself. And when the new clip goes in, you kind of have to clean it properly, and then slap it down. Use this front section entirely for use this front section for stabilization. Aiming down the barrel has a great rate of fire. It's very nice, very European. And Andy, dude, you need to pay attention. We don't have much time left. All right, here, take this. Okay. Gives you any problems? Just Google it. Got a lot of faith in you, Andy. Really do. I even placed a bet on you, too. Except I'm an employee of the company, and that would be unethical. So, go get him.